काला के आगे है मुझे कहीं कोई सुबह न चल गया सूरज को मैं
Thank you. That was a message from Shijil T. How was the function? Any more suggestions from the audience?
Good evening, everyone. I think all of us are really happy being over here and meeting each other after such a long time. It's good to catch up on what's happening in each other's life. A lot of them are married and a lot of them are just sitting around over here doing nothing and enjoying their tea. Anyways, it's great to come back to MES again, and I hope we get to do this every year. Every year. Thank you.
That was Vanusha 2006 batch. Any more suggestions? Comments? From your side?
Good afternoon, all of you. I think the initiators of this wonderful program, they did a very exotic job. I think that needs a big hand. I think Nasser, Shafi and Ashif, they were behind this for nearly months maybe. You all enjoyed this program to the core because they had sleepless nights. Thanks to them, and that was a wonderful start.
Thank you, ma'am. That was really motivating. We'll do it in every year. No suggestion from the Hakeem?
It was very nice and very happy to see you all. And really, I feel what I can express in words. It's an emotional moment to see all the friends once again, and wishing you all the best to all my friends, and a special congrats to all the committee members and school members, everybody. Thank you.
That is a beautiful verse by Ranjit. He was a 5,000 meter athlete and at the same time 10,000 also. The guiding light of school days are here. He is going to pass the message of school days and wishes. Give her a good clap, come on. She is our light, message, new visions, new heights. We have no limit, sky is our limit. Come on, everybody, clap! Now we are going to start our closing ceremony. Come on, everybody, clap!
നിശയൊരു കാർത്തിക വർണ്ണാഭരണം നം തനനം 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 കളനൂപുര ചിഞ്ചിത രഞ്ജിത മേളം തനനനനനന തനനം തൊഴു കൈത്തിരി നെയ്ത്തിരി വിടരും യാമം തനനനനനന തനനം വരമരുളു പൊരുളും ഉയരും ഉണരും ദേവി തനനം തനനം നം 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 തനനനം തനാനന തനനനം തം തനനനം തനാനന തം തനനനം തം തനനനം തനാനന വരലക്ഷ്മി കോലം വരയുന്ന നേരം തളിരിളം ചുണ്ടിൽ ഉയരുന്നു മന്ത്രം കാർത്തികരാവിൻ കന്മദഗന്ധം ചാർത്തി ദേവിയെ നാമൊരുക്കി താരണിത്താഴ്വര ചിരിതൂകി തഴുകി ഒഴുകി ഇളം തെന്നൽ പഞ്ചമരാഗം സഞ്ചിത താളം നിൻ കാഴ്ചിലങ്കകൾ നാഗവീചികൾ തെരുതെരു കിലുകില ചിലു ചില ദേവി തം തനനന തനാനന തം തനനന തം തനനന തനാനന തം തന ശശികല ചാർത്തിയ ദീപാവലയം നം തനനം 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 നിശയൊരു കാർത്തിക വർണ്ണ